Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the newest feature that Shopify has for us, making our life very easy, and that is Shopify Magic. Yes, Shopify has now come up with the AI features. This was really much awaited. We had to go to different platforms to use AI and then come back to Shopify and do the things that we wanted to do using AI, but now Shopify has it inside. So this is how and what Shopify says about Magic. So it's AI designed for commerce. Join the future of productivity and harness the power of AI. So what Shopify has to say is it makes it easier to start, run and grow your business. Just look for the stars and experience the magic of commerce driven AI. Transform product image backgrounds to writing better product descriptions, getting answers for your FAQs, elevate your email effectiveness, turning live chats into checkouts, and much more. So let's get started. That's an example store. Let's say that we have, and if we have to explore Shopify Magic, the first thing that we'll see is adding product descriptions or removing product descriptions. How do we do that? Here we have products. Let's say we are adding a new product. The product is a short sleeve t-shirt, and I want to create a product description. What do? I usually had to either create it or write it myself, or go to ChatGPT or some other AI tool to write the product description. But now, if you see this star icon, like the Magic page suggested, we click here and we will be asked to write the features and keywords that we want to add in the description. And once we do that, so let's say this t-shirt is an organic cotton, no maintenance, no iron, 15 days return, no questions asked, etc. And I select the tone. It's expert, daring, playful, sophisticated, persuasive, or supportive. You can add a custom tone over here, but let's say playful, and we hit on generate. Once I hit on generate, that's the description I get. So go green with our organic, we keep it. Okay, and that's the description. Now let's say I didn't like the description, or I already had this description, but I want to improve it or make it better or change it. How do I do that? I select this description. I go once again, go to this star icon, and here I have three options now: rephrase, extend, simplify. So if you had a long description and you want to simplify, you select the description and click on simplify. Now if you have a short description and you want to extend it further, you click on extend. Or if you have a description that is of a good size but you want to rephrase it because you did not like the words or the lines or the sentences, you can simply click on rephrase. So since this is just a 2-line description, let's click on extend, and here it has extended it. You click here, you click on rephrase, rephrase, and it rephrases it. So that's Shopify Magic adding product descriptions using the Magic tool from Shopify. Next is a very important and a much needed feature that Shopify was missing, is creating product images. So let's say we had some product images. I would go in, and so that's the media section. Okay, I let's find some images, t-shirts. Okay, let's use this one. Come back, I upload this, it is processing. Now I click on the image. I have this image which is very basic, does not look good, and now I want to work on this. How do I do that? Once again, I look for this icon, enhance background. Okay, I click on it. Now I have different options to remove the background, to replace the background. So background removal is just making it transparent, the way it just removed the background. That's done. Now I want to replace the background with something else. Describe the subject. That's a cotton t-shirt. That's the subject. Now I want the background to be changed. So let's say an abstract background, and I click on generate. Generating images. And here we have different backgrounds. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3, and that's 4. So it also adds shadows and makes your products look a lot better. Now you can change, place the product in a living room, let's say. Generate again. Not too relevant. In a wardrobe, the kind of image is such that since it's a t-shirt, placing t-shirts in a living room might not be logical, and that is why they are not generating the image that we asked them to. Again, just changing the background. So I think we'll have to choose a different type of product to choose different backgrounds. Let's say we go with speaker. Okay. Sound box. Awesome. Let's say we have this as the image. Okay, that's a paid image. Speaker, sound box. Copy image. Close. I want a different image. Add from URL. Copy image address. Add from URL. Add file. And here I have the speaker image. Done. Let me remove this one. Okay, so yeah, that's the image now, and I want to change it. Enhance background, two sound boxes, place it in a living room, and generate. And here we have it. Speakers placed in a living room, placed in a wardrobe, not a wardrobe, on a living room shelf. Generate again, and let's see. Next we are going to try it in a studio, in a kitchen, in a garden. In a living room shelf. Okay, in a garden. It's doing an amazing job, I must say. And here I have it. That's my speakers placed in a garden. Now if I want to choose the subject, okay, and done. So I have these images. I save it. Now I have this image as cancel and save. Maybe save as new. Okay, so save as new, and we have the image over here. So similarly, we can keep adding different versions of the product by generating different images. Awesome, this was really good. Next is, now you can create the website copy. So basically you can edit the theme and create the content within the theme using this AI. How do we do it? Let's check it out. Discard this. I don't want to add it. I go to my online store. I customize the theme. Now if you have a look at this, let's say I want a text generated for this particular section. Do I have the option? Okay, I don't see it. Okay, let's try start from here. Home page, banner, no, shop by collection. Okay, let's for an example add a section here, a rich text section over here, and I want to talk about my brand. Here I have it. So over here you will see this star icon that says generate text. You can click on generate. Describe what this text is about. This is about introducing my brand, a headline for introducing my brand. Generate. So these are a few examples. Here it is. Similarly, I can then create the description, the button, and so on. That makes copywriting so easy. Now once we are done with this, so we saw how to update, edit, create descriptions, product images, and creating copy. But Shopify Magic has more. Next is email marketing. What is it? Let's say email. Shopify has an app called Email. That's the Shopify's own app. And if we click on create a campaign, let's say I want to introduce a new collection, or say I want to offer a discount. That's the summer sale. And now over here I select this. I come to the template editor. Now within the template editor you will see this icon again that says generate text. So you can write the subject, you can write the preview text, and you can write all the text that's here using the same generate AI. Rephrase, extend, simplify. Rephrase, so you can generate the subject line. So this is about offering 10% discount as a summer sale. Tone of voice, persuasive, generate text, and don't miss out on the summer sale, and so many good subject lines. Similarly, I can change rephrase, summer sale is here, tone of voice, special, add discounts, 10% discount for a limited period, and limited buyers. Try again. It accordingly enhances the text. I want to keep it, it changes the text. I want to shorten it, I can come back again here, rephrase, extend, simplify. I click on simplify. It simplifies the text, makes it shorter, and that's your Shopify Magic AI within the email editor. So writing emails is no longer a difficult job for you. Next interesting thing is adding blogs. So what do? We come back to online channel, online store, and blog posts. I add a new blog post, and you will see once again you have the generate blog title, what this blog is about, and you hit on generate. It gives you the blog title. So 5 inspirational t-shirt designs for 2024. Generate. So here top 5 revolutionary t-shirt designs for 2024. Now I want to generate the text. Let's say I copy this. So this blog is about it, and I hit on generate. Here it is. Keep. So I get the entire blog written. Now obviously you have to, one thing that you need to make sure, or you need to take care is to read the entire thing, be it the product description, the product title, the images that you are changing, or the copy that you are writing for your website. You need to make sure that you read everything, because it is a generated text. AI generated text, and it might not always be 100% accurate. So you have to be very sure that whatever you are putting up on your website is right. So that's how you create a blog post using generative AI. Once again, the Shopify Magic tool. Next is Shopify Inbox. That is the Shopify chat feature. What is that? I come to online store. I hit on customize. You will see over here there's an option called apps. So online store chat is already embedded. What does that mean? So if I click on chat, or you have instant answers for track my order. So you just enter the order numbers. Shopify AI would track your order from the backend and give you the answer accordingly. Or if you are inquiring anything about the Shopify shipping policy, store policy, return policy, no matter what you ask it, it is going to answer to you accordingly. How do you find this app? You simply, in the Shopify App Store, you look for Shopify App Store. The name is Online Store Chat. Online Store Chat. Here it is, Shopify Inbox. You install it on your website and it does everything else. So that's Shopify Inbox for you. So we went through all the interesting Shopify AI tools that Shopify Magic has to offer, and there's one more very interesting Shopify tool which is still not available for all of us, and that is Sidekick. So I'll be making a new video about Sidekick once it is available for all of us, for you to enjoy and understand how interesting it is. So I hope you enjoyed the session. Should you have any questions about Shopify, feel free to ask me in the comments below. I'll be there. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye bye.